and I want to share with you some of my favorite ball moves. Yes, get a ball and let's have a ball with some training that's going to give you strength, flexibility. So stay till the end because I have a treat for you. One of my favorite moves is just to have the ball right underneath me and just relax. Okay, that's one of the things that you can do anytime to just relax, and it's really good for your back. Okay, so for healthy back and just for fun, take a ball, put it like on your abs like this. Okay. And yes, most of my students love this pose because it's really relaxing and you can even balance back and forth like this, okay? And just fall and, get into it. Thank you so much for your love and your attention on TikTok, okay? I want you to follow me there because that's where I'm going to be doing more lives starting now when I'm publishing this video because it's working. So let's do more what works for us. You see, this is another level, okay? So this is part of my training, and I just want to share it with you so that you have some ideas of what to do with that ball that you possibly bought at the drugstore or maybe online. I don't know where you bought it. I feel like getting even more balls. I like giving away balls. Maybe you'll get some of my balls when I give them away again later on. Who knows? But right now, one of the things you can do, for instance, for cardio is just to sit on it and stand like this, which works your legs, but even to jump on it, you can bounce on it. So even if you are like really out of shape or you feel like that, you can just sit on the ball. And yes, use a mat, preferably a sticky mat, okay? Be bare feet because you'll have more control of your body. Use your core and just, bounce like this. It doesn't have to be very high, it's safe. You can also hang on to something on the wall, on a bar, to someone who helps you. I can coach you. Okay, for those of you who don't know me, I'm a Fit Life coach, and I specialize in people who are now working from home, like entrepreneurs like me, and you want to train from home, but you don't know how to go from like not feeling like it, kind of lazy, to actually having the power, the strength, the stamina, the discipline, it's mind-body discipline, right? To do what you know you have to do for your food prep, for your exercise, for your movement, and even something as fun as this. Sometimes we'll just have the ball and not use it. And it's so fun. It's like, let's do this, okay? So get a free consultation. I'm going to put the link right below. It's monicasancio.com. And that way we get to know each other and see what a good fit to work together. My trainings are super fun, so you'll always feel better afterwards, even if it's just mindset that we're working on, because I focus a lot on that. So it's not that I'm only training you physically. Hey, come on, let's do it. And I can't tell you how high to jump or how intense your training should be because I have no idea where you are right now. But I'll take you from where you are to where you want to be, which is what coaching is really about. So I'll be your guide, I'll be your support, and I just love coaching more and more. I have my own coaches, and I just love how, we can even learn to coach ourselves and just be as awesome as we possibly can. It's just like excellence, how to achieve excellence? Just by going at it once again, just like my TikTok. It's like, maybe I didn't expect to grow as fast as I'm growing. I'm starting to grow in just 1 week, like from 500 followers to I have almost over 2,500 so far. Anyway, it's just amazing. So I'm going to be doing more lives, especially late hours of the night and dawn, like 1 a.m. Eastern time. So I don't know how often I'm going to do it, but at least Monday nights until Tuesday, like Tuesday 1 a.m. it would be Eastern time, something like that. But anyway, you see, all I've done while just talking to you. You could be on the phone, For instance, I have a phone right here where the timer is. And I'm like, okay, so yeah, let's talk about it. And sometimes I'll be coaching people from my ball. And I like to sit on the ball, and I like to stretch on the ball. You see what you can do just talking. Do my podcast many times sitting on the ball. So you can just sit on the ball, have a lot of fun, as well as jumping. And of course, you can make your jumping way more intense like this. Like I'm showing you, woo, yes. And it's just so fun. You can do cardio there. Okay, I've shown you many resistive exercises and moves in other videos. But right now, let's say I could grab, what do I have nearby? I could grab that pair of dumbbells or these so that the set is not, for instance, this one, right? And I want to work my triceps, the back of my arm. And I use this as a bench, which is much better because we need to stay stable. By the way, if you noticed, my legs are about hip width apart. They're not too together, okay? Because this would make us less stable. And you could do that also as a challenge. But okay, for the most part, I'm going to tell you just to sit like this very comfortably. And at the same time, there's discomfort because you are using your whole core, including everything. I mean, including hips, including back, including just like your whole body working as one, from your feet up to your scalp, really. Anyway, so this is one of the things that I like to do, since I'm showing you and sharing with you my favorite moves. And yes, when I do a class, we're going to do it progressively, and we'll flow into one move into the other one. But here, I'm just like being spontaneous, natural, authentic, the way you know me, and I'll just crazy things like this. I'll do some strengthening, for instance, upper body right here with my triceps extension. Inhale, exhale, right? And you see how I put my legs in a kapotasana or pigeon pose? Okay, and that was super natural. I just did it because I felt like it. And if you have some nice music to go along, you're gonna feel like, oh, this is so good. You see? Okay. And of course, we gotta switch. If it's one leg, in this case, now stretch this one. And if you've seen my videos lately, you know that I recommend this hip stretch a lot. It's like one of the things that we have to do every single day, whether it's on the ball, on the floor, on the mat. Okay? So, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, this is a little bit too light for me. So I can just go like 25 reps if I want to. Not really, it's starting to hurt. So when it's starting to hurt, maybe you could do a couple more. Okay, I was exaggerating, but yes, I could probably use more weight, especially if I'm using both arms. Okay, let's rest a bit and do some stretches. I'm gonna be alternating between cardio, resistive, stretching, and in between, because there's many moves. For instance, if I do the stretching, you'll say, oh, it's just for your flexibility, but actually, I'm also strengthening my abs. For instance, I'm strengthening my obliques. You see? So it's strengthening and lengthening. Just like my natural yoga Pilates program, with and without ball, that takes you to a new level of fitness, okay? For instance, here we're stretching, right? But we could also be strengthening our bodies in order to get up. So this is strengthening, and this is lengthening, and we could analyze this movement even more. So it's like we get a lot out of it. We could even make it cardio. This is super good, okay? And one of the funnest things that I like to do on the ball is just to go like this, for my glutes. It's really good. Let's do a few. I stand. Make sure you watch the other video in Spanish. Leave your comments below. How do you like it so far? If you want me to make more videos like this with a mirror, with a ball, let me know. Okay, because I'm here for you, and I would love to go viral again on YouTube, or at least get to where I was before. It's like, I don't know, something happened on YouTube, whatchamacallit? The programming, what is it? The robots. Oh my god, I forgot anyway, for some reason they think that my content is nudity. Like, even when I was on a live yesterday, they thought that I was naked, and I was wearing like a pair of pants. Maybe it was like this, maybe lower, like on my hips like this, and a top. And that's supposed to be nude. Oh, por favor. Like, really? You guys kidding me? So that happens sometimes, and I don't want to be kicked off. So, okay, you get some of my favorite moves, okay? And one of the things that I want to show you is that most of my students love to do abs on the ball like this, just the crunches. I'm not too into crunches nor curls anymore. And by the way, if you want to get my program, How to Get Your Best Abs, 18 Secret Keys to Your Best Abs, yes, without crunches, really, without curls, check out the link below. It's like abs.fit90x.com, and or just DM me and tell me, I'm most interested in the abs, Monica, give me that. Okay, and I'll give it to you. And just like consultation, it's like freebies, take them. They're not going to be up forever, but I love working with you, so let's see how we connect and if my work fits your expectations, because I'm like ready to train you, ready to coach you, okay? And also, if you fit my expectations, it's like, are we a good fit to work together? You see, this is kind of, I'm just gonna flow for a few more minutes. Like I say, stay till the end, because I have some of the moves that you're gonna like the most, very possibly towards the end. And just like I said, I like to relax with the ball. This gives you such mobility, it's fantastic. It's Ustrasana or camel pose. Yeah, lower your shoulders there. Oh, this is so good, so good. Ooh, and this would be a good moment to do the child's pose. And you could do like a upward facing dog, yeah, something like actually a cobra and child's pose. And then we can get up and do downward facing dog, upward facing dog. This is not easy. This is like for more advanced students. Even I can't do it too much if I'm not really focused. It's like I would have to kneel and do the upward facing dog right here. Okay, like upward facing dog, and then I would get up and do something like that. Anyway, there's so many ways to train. This is so fun. You could do like warrior 2, just there. You can breathe 2, 3 times. Look at the hand that's pointing toward the leg that's bent. Flex knee. Ooh, what a beautiful butterfly. What if it comes in the video? That'd be so cool. Oh, that's transformation. You know, butterflies are signs of transformation. So welcome, butterfly. Huge butterfly, like a monarch. Yeah, that's what it's called. And oh my God, and I forgot that term, you know, when the, it doesn't matter. We're here, and, you know, if you want to relax more, you could also do like this. Move within the pose or within the move. This is like fish pose that we usually do after, for instance. Okay, time up. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Tell them, hey, you might like these moves from Monica. Yes, have fun with it. And remember, I'm going to say it in a cardio. Eat and drink mostly plant-based towards vegan. Move around more. Get physical. And absolutely stay positive. Focus on what you do have. Be grateful. Give as much as you can of what you have. Listen to my podcast on any platform, Monica Stancio. And so much I can tell you, but basically, you taking care of yourself and you being at your best, guess what? Makes all the difference in the world. Yay! Mwah.